welcome back to this channel. This is Learn Python with Castor classes. So today we are going to see about this associating list elements. Okay, so associating list element is nothing but dictionary. Okay, so you're just associating key and value pairs. So let us see what is dictionary and stuffs. So in a Python programming, a dictionary is a data container that can store multiple items of data as a list of key value pairs. Okay. Unlike regular list, if you see regular list, each entries in the list are indexed, okay, or identified or accessed using the index element, okay. So index element usually start with 0. Yes. So here everything is referenced using the key. Okay. So in the dictionary, each thing is referenced using their associated key. Okay, the key must be unique within the dictionary. Okay, so I'll just show you how to declare a dictionary. Suppose see here, dictionary is equal to, I say name. Okay, and so here you should not give equal. So if it is a string, it has to be enclosed within a single quotes. And see here, if a name is the key, so here the name is the key and the value associated with the key has to be separated by the colon, and you can give any name. I say Ram. Okay, and comma separator. So this is one entry, and the next entry is referenced using again one key. So you have to give again key. Okay, so I say mark. Okay, or I say subject. Okay, so let us start with English. Okay, so English, I just give a colon and I say 80. Okay, and comma and max. Okay, so max I say 70. Okay, so this is how I just initialize my dictionary. Now see here, the name, English, max are key. So this key should be unique. It should not be repeated one. Okay, and each entries in the dictionaries are referenced using this value, this key. Okay, so creating a dictionary is simply a matter of assigning the key value pairs as a comma separator list between the curly braces. Okay, it has to be within the curly braces to name of our choice. Strings must be enclosed within quotes as usual. Okay, so as usual you have to enclose within the quotes, and you have to just go with the comma or sorry colon character must become between the key and its associated value. Okay, a key value pair can be deleted. Okay, so that we'll see little later. Now as of now, let us go to the Python and introduce you how to declare a dictionary. Okay, so dictionary 1 is my name I give. So this is my name I give. Dictionary 1 is equal to curly braces. So I start with name. Okay, colon. So name is also a string, so I give Ramu and I close it, then comma, then start with English. Okay, close it and colon. So here is a colon, I say 870, and Tamil, or you say max. Okay, so colon 100, science. Okay, so close it, colon, so I say 80. Okay, and close it. So now the dictionary is done. Okay, so now let us print and see the how the dictionary looks. Okay, print of dict1 is my dictionary name, so I give that, so the values only get printed. So Ramu, name is Ramu, English 70, marks and max 100, and science is 80. Okay, so this is how you can print or create a dictionary, and how you can print this dictionary. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is display a single value referenced by its key. Okay, so how to do that? It is very easy. So I'm just going to print. Okay, so what to say, like in the new line, so reference. Okay, so reference is done here using the key name. So I give English. Okay, so slash and reference English, mark is. Okay, so this is what I give, colon. And now how to access a dict of square bracket within English. Okay, so English you have to give. Okay, so I close it, and close the parenthesis. So now if you see here, so what it just happened is like a dictionary. Okay, sorry, I just gave dict. Okay, so dict1 is the name, correct? So yes, so dict1 is the name, so let us do that. So dict1 is the name and see what's the English markers. So invalid syntax. What happened? Oh my god. So let's type in. Okay, so let's print dict. So let's check first. Okay, dict1, this bracket. Okay, like open the square bracket and give the any reference name. I give name. Let us start with name. Okay, so name. Okay, so name I have given. Close it. Okay, so name is Ramu. So let us do for English. Okay, so same /n or not is needed. English mark scored by Ramu. Okay, so scored by. Okay, so like I'll put and here I'll put dict1 square bracket name. Okay, so I'll just give a space like comma and close it. So English marks scored by Ramu, it should be there, and again I have to give is. Okay, so it should be within single quotes. Okay, and then comma. So let us give comma here also, like okay, and here dictionary 1 and English. Okay, so let us see how it works. It should work. Yes, so English marks scored by Ramu is 70. Okay, so how to access the entries in dictionary is like this. You can access it using a reference name. Okay, okay, so now to display all the keys within the dictionaries, only the keys. So I was saying the key pair, so key value pair. So let us see what is the key is. The key means name, English, maths and science. That's it. Okay, so let's print the keys. Okay, so print keys in dictionary 1. Okay, so this is how I give and say dict1 dot keys. Okay, so this is how you can access the keys. So the keys in dictionary 1 is name, English, maths and science. Okay, so this is the dictionary. So now delete one pair from the dictionary and add the replacement pair. Okay, like how first let us see how to delete is very simple, as we did in the list. Del is the command and dict1 the dictionary name and which key you want to delete. You have to give the keys. Okay, so I want to delete science. Okay, science, everything is small letter. Okay, so SCIENCE and SCIENC, science. So this is the key I want to delete. So if I say science, it completely deletes the value also. Okay, so now the science is delete. Let us see how my dictionary looks now. Okay, so if you see, it has the marks till now. Max, science got deleted. Now let us insert a key. Insert a key is nothing but dict1. Okay, so I say social science. Okay, social science, social. Okay, social, I'll just leave it, and colon, I'll say the mark is 95, 98. Okay, something like this. And yes, now okay, sorry, it has to be in the, okay, let me just do that. So yeah, why don't I copy this dict1? Okay, dict1 of social. Okay, social. Okay, so I always forget this. See, I always used to forget this equal to. Okay, so equal to, it's 98. Okay, so now if I print my dictionary 1, that is dict1, so the social got replaced there, the science got deleted and social got inserted. Okay, so now finally the operator which we have left while we were just seeing the arithmetic things, so we have left two operators where you have this in. Okay, so what it does is it searches the dictionary for specific key, whether the given key is there in the dictionary or not. So okay, so that can be done using, okay, like let us print. Okay, so print yes or no. Okay, it has to be in the yes or no, it has to be in the single quotes, comma. Okay, and then okay, so I'm just searching with the key social. Okay, whether social key in dictionary 1. So I'm just searching. Okay, so I'm just searching whether the social key is in the dictionary 1 or not. Okay, so the answer is true. Yes, it is there. Okay, so yes or no is the thing. So I haven't given this what to say. Yes, let us do this, and yeah, so yes, now it will be yes or no. The answer is true. Yes, social is there in the dictionary 1. Now I say instead of social I give science. The science we have deleted already, right? SCIENCE, science we have already deleted, it is not there, so it gives me false. Okay, so this is how you can just store, create dictionary and access it, and you can have, there are a few other operations you can just work on it. Okay, and tuple. So tuple is something, I'll just come for tuple now. Okay, so tuple is here. So tuple. So tuple means it is immutable, and it is within the curly braces, comma separated. Okay, so colors tuple. Okay, I give it as, sorry, the tuple has to be inside the parenthesis. Okay, so red, green, blue, orange, so it can be like this. So this is the tuple. Okay, so you know this tuple is immutable, value cannot be changed while the program is running. Okay, so far we have seen different types of data, like various types of data types or data container, you can say. The first one is variable. So what it does, it stores a single value. It is used for storing single value, correct? And the list stores multiple values in the ordered index. Okay, multiple value in an ordered index. Okay, and then tuple stores multiple fixed value in a sequence. Okay, stores multiple fixed value. Okay, so fixed value in sequence. Okay, and here comes a set stores multiple unique values in the unordered collection. So stores multiple unique value, so it should not be repeated. Yesterday we have seen that. So unique value in an unordered, okay, unordered collection, correct? Yeah. And dictionary stores multiple unordered. Okay, so it is also multiple unordered, okay, key value pairs. Okay, so this is how we do. So list means it has to be in the square bracket, tuple means parenthesis, curly bracket, and here also curly bracket, but we have the colon inside. Okay, so this is all about this data containers we have so far seen, and that's all for the basics. So in the tomorrow's class we'll be starting with the loops and statement. Okay, so for loops and statement I'll be just comparing with Scratch. Okay, we'll be seeing the Scratch how it works, and we can come to the Python and see how does it works. Okay, so after that we'll be going for function, class, constructors, everything. Okay, so that's all for today's video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.